As long as we are divided in the name of religion, race, caste, gender and nationalities, there will be no true success for humanity. If humanity has to succeed, it's important that we have to move beyond our survival instincts. It is only in coming to absolute ease within ourselves that the human possibility opens up. Otherwise, our instincts of survival will make us behave like every other creature on the planet which thrives on drawing boundaries. Human beings are capable and longing to go beyond boundaries. If we do not facilitate this, if we do not bring humanity to a place where we can think, feel, experience life beyond these artificial boundaries that we draw, human genius will not flower. The human possibility of living a limitless possibility will not manifest in our lives. One earth, one family, one future. This is the way forward.